I'm challenging everybody's jurisdiction because you have none.
Okay, so
honor your oath of office, please. Honor your oath of office, okay?
are we going to sit here and debate those positions?
It's not a debate. It's my constitutional right. It's my constitutional right.
You think so? Okay,
I know so. Are you violating my constitutional rights on how you deem them to be?
Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel where no one is above the law. Today we're going to be sitting in on a very interesting proceeding with a sovereign citizen who has really quite the name in the sovereign citizen community here on YouTube. Very aggressive, talks a lot of junk, think he knows more than the judge, the system, the whole nine. So I want to see how this particular judge handles such an aggressive sovereign citizen. So you guys know there's only one way for us to see how this thing is going to go, and that's to roll the footage.
Do you want me to start talking to people in the breakout room? So I don't see anyone in there.
We're gonna keep calling. You can talk to Mr. Hicks right after I call this case.
Oh, very good, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Hicks, are you there? I need a city attorney.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Albert Hicks Jr. Case numbers SP 1442547, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1442765 And it looks like the rest of this stuff. Then I have SP 1500871, and it looks like the rest of this stuff he's already entered a plea into all this stuff.
No, sir. No plea.
Well, that's not what it says here, sir.
I represent myself. I couldn't enter the plea. I never plea. You can check my record. I never plea.
Oh, maybe I found you guilty then. Yeah.
No, I haven't been. Matter of fact, I came inside there personally a week or so ago. And the young lady, the security officer, came out and said that I'm supposed to report today.
No, this is on some old stuff. All right.
I never entered the plea.
So do you not want the representation of counsel?
No, thank you.
Okay. There you go, Mr. Take. That's your first break of the day, Mr. Soroki. You know what I mean?
Judge, I know how to deal with everybody. So I said I know how to deal with everybody, any type of client.
Yeah, I know, but he doesn't want it.
Right,
So
I understand.
We can't force it on him.
No, I understand.
Yeah. So you can
take it as a plus.
So Mr. Lee, today is the date and time set for a show cause. As for purposes of arraignment, sir. We'll do it like this. I'll enter a not guilty.
Are you talking to Mr. Hicks or Mr. Lee?
Pardon me?
Yes, you should be able to find the first one.
Are you talking to Mr. Hicks or Mr. Lee?
Mr. Hicks, I'm sorry.
Yep, you should be down in area code 929.
Mr. Hicks, for purposes of arraignment, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf and give you a $0 bond, all right?
I object, Your Honor. That would be practice in front of the bench.
It's the same process.
Say that again.
I object. That would be practicing from the bench, practicing law from the bench. You will have to recluse yourself if you hold on to that.
All right. Well, I deny your motion. So go ahead. How do you want to proceed?
I would like for everything to be dismissed, if it pleases the court.
Deny. What basis?
You haven't even let me tell my grounds.
All right, basis. Give it to me.
For one, a ticket is a bill of attainder. Article 1, Section 9, Clause 3 of the Constitution of the United States, no bill of attainder or ex post facto law shall be passed. You cannot have a written assistance.
All right, let me
stop. Equity that transmitted into law penalties.
Let me stop you right there. Let me stop you right there. We have, first of all, we have a problem with the transmission. You're breaking up really, really, really bad, and we can't get that on the. Turn your video off. Maybe turn your video off. That will help. Let's see. All right, try it now. Try it now. Let's see. Go ahead.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay. Article 1, Section 9, Clause 3 of the Constitution of the United States. No bill of attainder or ex post facto law shall be passed. You cannot have a writ of assistance that has civil equity that transmits into law. Number 2, there is no sworn statement from an injured party. Number 3, the officer did not even sign the ticket. That's under law of penalty of perjury. I'm asking that all of these be dismissed.
All right, I'm going to deny that motion. All right, how else do you want to proceed?
That's your declaratory judgment?
I'm going to deny the motion. I denied the motion.
Okay, let's go to court.
Trial?
It don't matter, because I don't understand how y'all run y'all system. Y'all practice against the law. I'm a common law.
Well, read the court rules, and you'll learn a little something.
The court rules go against the law. Y'all practice against the law, against the Constitution. I'm all common law.
All right. Well, we're beyond that.
Okay.
All right.
So you say. So are you going to prosecute this, or somebody else going to prosecute it?
Stop. Let's not keep going. All right. You want a trial date, or not?
It's up to y'all. Remember, y'all make all the rules.
Trial date. You want to let's give him a jury trial date.
Jury trial?
Yeah.
How long do I have to turn in my briefs?
I'll give you some dates in a second.
Okay.
Here's a. All right.
Scamming. With a smile on your face. If it pleases the court, what jurisdiction are you charging me on?
I asked the question, sir.
I just said if it pleases the court.
I know, and I'm telling you, I asked the questions. I appreciate your Your
We can do it.
your respect for the court, but I asked the questions. I told you to read the court rules.
We can do it March the 5th. Let me check and see.
The court rules.
Is
What
March the 5th?
jurisdiction are you trying to charge me on?
Is March the 5th a good date for you, sir?
No.
Okay, that's not the first. We can do March the 19th. See how that looks for you, Judge.
Give him a little further out,
Further
so
out,
he can get his some stuff together.
we can do May. You want to go all the way to May?
Yeah.
Let's do May 6th. No, let's do, one second further now, because I don't want it to collide with all your trials. I think we should do group 2. We could do June the 11th.
June the 11th is going to be the jury trial date.
June the 11th?
June the 11th. So let's put your final pretrial date will be let's see, put that a day before. That way, that'll be the date we'll argue motions on June the 10th. And I will want the motion filed, your motion filed by motions due by May the 24th will be your motion, and now these
May 24th.
May the 24th, and the city will have 7 days to respond. So the response to the motion will be due by May the 31st. All right. So we have your motion's due by May the 24th. You make sure you serve the other side, and they'll have until May the 31st to respond. We'll listen, and I'll review the motions, listen to arguments on final pretrial of 6/10/2024 with a jury trial set for 6/11/2024 at 9 a.m. All right.
I appreciate you, Your Honor.
All right. Have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
I just did. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Hicks is definitely as advertised. He definitely thinks he knows everything. This is the end of this appearance. As we can see, Judge Perkins steps in and enters a not guilty plea on Mr. Hicks' behalf, simply just to move this case forward. And we see Hicks immediately objects, accusing the judge of practicing law from the bench and even suggesting that he should recuse himself. And, you know, we see Mr. Hicks just go straight into that familiar sovereign citizen script, claiming the ticket is a bill of attainder, that there is no injured party, and that the officer never signed a citation. But the judge, he's not going to take the bait. I mean, he's been around too long, and that's why he just cut that whole thing short and just flat out denied his motion without even entertaining any of his pseudo legal arguments. But we have another appearance by Mr. Hicks. I don't see him settling down, but let's go ahead and find out.
All right, let's go with Albert Hicks. Albert Hicks. How he got on my docket, I don't know. This is the city of Detroit versus Albert Hicks Jr. Case number SP 1442547, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1442765-1. Appearance for the record, please. And strike that. Wait a minute. SP 1500871. Appearance for the record, please.
That one ours?
Yeah.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr.
Albert Hicks, and no one is to speak on my behalf.
Okay.
I'm my own attorney.
You're your own attorney. You're an attorney registered by the state of Michigan.
Licensed to practice law, and you've been practicing law over the bench.
You say I have been?
Would you like to litigate against me?
I'm not litigating anything against you.
Okay, you have been practicing law across the bench since we started this, and I'm challenging jurisdiction today.
Okay. What do you want to do, Mr. Hicks? You want a trial date, or you want the offer in the back?
I'm challenging jurisdiction.
Okay, put it in a motion.
I don't have to put it in the motion. I don't have to put it in the motion.
If I say you do, you do.
No, you don't have the right to do that. You don't have a Congress number. You don't have delegated authority to do that.
Okay. All right. Well,
I'm challenging jurisdiction.
Trial date. I'm denying. What is your motion? You're challenging my jurisdiction?
I'm challenging everybody's jurisdiction because you have none.
Okay, so
honor your oath of office, please. Honor your oath of office, okay?
Are we going to sit here and debate those positions?
It's not a debate. It's my constitutional right. It's my constitutional right.
You think so? Okay,
I know so. Are you violating my constitutional rights on how you deem them to be?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I don't believe so.
And then please don't have me file for Title 18, 242.
Please do.
Okay, I have a transcript from all the other times I talked with you because you've been practicing across the bench for the longest.
Okay, so what are you going to do today, Mr. Hicks?
Challenge jurisdiction.
And how are you challenging that?
Because you have no jurisdiction. You have the burden of proof is on whoever assessed the jurisdiction. Who's the assessor of jurisdiction?
I am in this case.
Okay.
And I deny that motion.
Why you deny the motion? Because you don't have.
So Mr. Hicks, you're a grown man. Let's have a few seconds. Wait a minute. Let's have a few second conversation, okay? Now let's get this straight. I'm running this show, okay? So if I'm gonna allow you to talk and say what you have to say, you're talking about challenging jurisdiction right now. That's what the discussion is. I say I have jurisdiction. The court rules say I have jurisdiction. The Constitution of the state of Michigan say I have jurisdiction. So I'm denying. No, don't talk while I'm talking. I'm denying your motion as far as you contesting my jurisdiction. Okay, so take your hood off, please. So other than that, what else do you want? How do you want to proceed now moving forward?
I motion to dismiss.
I'm denying that motion. Okay, let me ask you this. What basis are you denying the motion to dismiss?
Because no crime, a bill of attainder, no injured party. I told you all of this at the beginning, and you denied everything. You practice over the bench.
Okay, so now I'm going to give you two options.
As a matter of fact, hold on. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. You even went through a 10 and 3 because you started threatening me. You remember that?
No, you were the one. Wait a minute. You were the one, Mr. Hicks, that said, "Oh, you can say all that while you're on the bench." Did you say that last time?
Do you have the transcripts? Yeah, I said it. Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
I thought about that.
You don't even have a
I
license
thought about that.
law.
Listen, this whole
have license to practice law. Come on, the jig is up. The jig is up.
All right. So now the jig is up with you. So I'm not letting you say any more about this. I'm denying your motions. Now I'm going to give you two options.
Wow. Mr. Hicks is accusing Judge Perkins of violating his constitutional rights. Where have we heard that before? And we see him go even as far as threatening Title 18, Section 242, implying criminal and civil rights violations. I mean, he's trying everything. He's pulling everything out of the hat. He's trying to find anything in the book. But we see Judge Perkins, tired of being polite, completely just resets the whole courtroom, just making it clear that, listen, this is my show. You know, letting Mr. Hicks know that, listen, if you don't stop, it's going to turn into a contempt of court. And that's what we know about Judge Perkins. He's going to continue to lay down the law, let him know, listen, no more interruptions, no more theories, no more sovereign talking points. Let's go ahead and get this situation handled, because it's taking far too long to figure this thing out. So Mr. Hicks' whole strategy just backfired.
The first option is you can either take the deal that's in the file, or we can. Okay, don't talk while I'm talking.
I tell you what.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
A few minutes. I got your paperwork ready. I got your paperwork ready. You really want to
talk?
You really want to do this?
All right. Now I'm going to give you one more time to interrupt me. If you interrupt me again, I'm going to hold you in contempt of court. Okay. All right. So the other option is we set a jury trial, and we'll set the jury trial. I'll give you motion dates where you can have the dates and you can put all of your stuff in writing that you want before the court. And I'll make a date on that date. I'll make a date when I'll rule on those motions. So do you want the offer or do you want the jury trial date and the motions dates?
I thought that the trial was up to me, whether I have a bench trial or a jury trial. It's not up to you.
No, it's not up to you. I'm giving you, everybody has a right to a jury trial.
Absolutely.
And I'm going to allow you to exercise that jury trial right. I'm not going to sit here and entertain a bench trial for you. Let a jury of your peers determine your innocence or guilt.
Why would I do that?
How?
I have the right to either or. You're not the one.
No, you don't have a right. No, you don't have a right to either or.
Yes, I do. Of course, I do.
All right. I'm moving on.
All right, move on.
You didn't answer my question, so I'm moving on. And I'm going to put you out, or at least mute yourself.
3 hours later.
Very well. Officers, be safe out there. Have a very good day. All right, let's do this and let's go back on the record one more time with Mr. Hicks.
Record, Your Honor. Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, 434.
Yeah, something's wrong with your volume, Ms. Mason.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. It might be my mic is down. For the record, Your Honor, Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. This is the date and time set for a final pretrial in this matter. Your Honor, I did subpoena my officers to be here today for the final pretrial, and I do not see them here today.
Remove your hat, please. No drinking, please. Treat this like you're in the courthouse. Remove your hat, please, Mr. Hicks. All right. What are we gonna do? The officers were supposed to be here today. I'm only dealing with SP 1442547 counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1442761, and SP 500871. I'm only dealing with those matters. And the officers are not here. So we're gonna make this easy. And now, what I don't appreciate is, you know, I thought about that comment that you made that last time. You know, basically, you're almost, it's almost like a little lightweight threat that you had toward me, saying that, oh, I'm only doing this, I'm only this way because I'm being protected by the bench. That's absolutely not. I'm the same way 24 hours a day. Okay, so let's get that straight. This robe has nothing to do with me as a man. But all right, I'm going to dismiss the cases because no officer appeared.
I would like to collect my costs and fees.
Pardon me?
I would like to collect my costs and fees for having to defend myself.
I don't want to hear anything else you have to say.
Oh, beautiful.
All right, bye.
I knew it was going to happen. I knew it was coming. Judge Perkins finally broke, finally let him know, don't let this robe fool you. I'm a man first. This is no game. I'm not a game. I'm not a punk. I'm not going to play that game with you. So before you say anything else, just know who I am. And if we notice, when that was said, he didn't say anything else. So maybe he got the message. Maybe he saw that Judge Perkins was through and he's not playing or having any games. But what I want you guys to get down in the comments and talk about is, let's talk about these officers that are not showing up to these proceedings, right? We talking about the sovereign citizen, how they're prolonging these proceedings and prolonging these cases to get off. But where are these officers? And do you think that that strategy is working in that way, where they're prolonging it so much that the officers are just not showing up, or, you know, it's just buying up their time to the point of where they got other things to take care of? Talk about that down in the comments. I want to hear you guys' thoughts. But it is what it is. Case had to be thrown out. Another case dismissed because of officers not showing up. But that's it for now, guys. I appreciate you. And one thing I want you to remember, and I know sometime down in the comments you guys don't agree, but no one is above the law.